This is Mark in for Des with the Broad Market Review for March 19, 2013. Another down day on Wall Street. That's two in a row here, where we have the S&P down 0.24. However, the Dow, right at the very last second, did go positive with barely, but 0.03%. Now look at it. The NASDAQ was down 0.24, and boy, look at that. Small caps down 0.48. Led the way down. That's a bearish sign. But look at Bank, though. Bank was up with 0.15. Now, that's interesting. That's a little bit in conflict. However, look at the VIX, up another 7.7%. Add that to the 18% yesterday, and the VIX has been up. The fear factor is up. That's a bearish sign. Gold was up, but silver dropped a little bit, and look at that. Look at oil, really dropped significantly. And the dollar was up, which did confirm our down move today. Trend, no big deal there, at 1.23. Well, let's take a look at the S&P daily chart, and this is actually, we are now officially in a down leg. I have moved my long-term main line up here because this is now the second day in a row where we've had a lower low and a lower high. No, this first red candle there had a higher high, so it did not qualify. So we are officially now in a down leg. However, personally, I'm not that concerned in that we know it's still being supported here by the 11 EMA on the close. There's the 20. So, we're just doing a nice pullback, after this huge run up. What else should we expect? It doesn't always go straight up. And here we have the Dow. After its big run up, it's just pulled back here. Look at that, almost a doji because it closes fairly positive. And again, look at that. It's even above the 8 EMA exponential moving average. And then we have the NASDAQ. And yes, and it too is up. And again, it has a lower low, but it has a higher high. So it's just an outside day there. And then here's the one that was looking more bearish, at least in the numbers. But here it doesn't look so bad. Closed up here near the 8 EMA, but still above the 11 EMA. A 20 is way down here, which is the line that most people watch. So we're just doing a nice pullback here. No reason to panic. Keep your stops in place on any swing trades you might have that are in long. Now, you might ask, who am I? You know who Des is, but I am Mark, and I have a chat room here, the Grok Star room. And I also do a video every day, not on the broad market, but on the stocks. And you can go to it. Just go to stocks here at the free online trading education site. And then you have to see the one that I did today, because we did a trade on the UVXY, which is a 3X bull ETF, and because the market was dropping so much. So see how we use the S&P index to do that trade. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering, as Tina Turner says. The day that I began to trade with composure as my only emotion was the day I became a winning trader, period. Trade safely and trade well.